Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, we welcome you to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to read a lesson, Being Safe. The title itself reveals that we have to be safe. Okay, so once we are crossing the road or even at home while we are cooking at the kitchen, we have to be safe. So in this lesson, there was a conversation between the grandparent and her grandson, and he had a conversation with his grandson friends. Okay, he talks about the road safety rules should be followed very strictly whenever we are on the road. So there are three important rules to be followed on the road are when we see the red light, what we have to do? It is an indication to stop. And the green light gives us the instruction to go. Orange light insists us to get ready to go. While crossing the road, we have to be careful in crossing the road at the zebra crossing, and we should walk on our right hand side against the traffic so that we can see the vehicles coming. Okay, then. So this section 1 is all about the conversation between the grandpa and his grandson to say about the road safety. Prashant lives with his parents in Tiruchirappalli in the summer. He always visits his grandparents in Nahati, a river island in Tanjavur district. The river bifurcates into two and merges again and forms this village. So, the Prashant is the hero of this prose. Where did he live? He lived in the place of Tiruchirappalli with his parents. During the summer vacation, he visited his grandparents' home, which is at Nahati. The place is in Tanjore district. And this river water usually splits into two and then joins again. Mergers means joins together, forms this village. So what happened? This boy lived with his parents in Tiruchirappalli, and during the summer vacation, every year we also go and visit our grandparents, right? Like that, this Prashant also visited his grandparents in Nahati. So where it is this in Tanjore district, and where they are describing the location how it will be. So the river water will divide into two separate parts and then merges again and forms this village. Okay, then. So the village is evergreen with mighty trees and beautiful landscapes. He always spends his vacation here, hanging out with his grandfather and his friends. His grandfather was a retired central government employee. So what happened? Because of that river is just splitting into two and then joining, so they have the water resources over there. If the water resources is there, means what will happen? All the place will be greenery. Okay, yes or no? Will be full of nature everywhere. And then they could see all the places in green. So beautiful landscapes. And then this Prashant usually spends his vacation in this place in Nahati, and he's just hanging out with his grandfather and his friends. And his grandfather was a retired central government employee. And then, so he has traveled to many parts of India. His knowledge always amuses him. Prashant has just come to his grandparents. This news reaches his friends and they have to take him out for playing. Grandfather is very concerned. He gives some instruction and tips for their safety. So what happened? Even though he was a central government employee who Prashant's grandfather, so he would have traveled many parts of India, so he would have gained some knowledge. So that knowledge was amused by Prashant. So the Prashant had visited his grandparents, so that news had reached their friends. So they had come to see Prashant. What they are going to do to visit, and then they want him to play with them. Okay, and then they were coming and asking his grandfather whether we can go out for play, whether we can take Prashant also along with us. And then the grandfather is very much concerned, very concerned. So he was very much worried. He gives some instructions and tips for their safety. So what happened is grandfather is too much of worried about the safety. So he is giving some instruction and tips for their safety. Okay, how they have to travel. Now we are going to see the conversation. Okay, Sundar, Grandpa, Ravi, and Grandpa in this scene. Okay, Sundar. Good afternoon, Grandpa. Where is Prashant? Good afternoon, children. Can we take him out to play in the fields, Grandpa? Of course, but you should be very careful while walking in the roads. So Sundar is just greeting the grandpa and asking, where is Prashant? And grandpa is just greeting the children, greeting them, good afternoon, children. And then Ravi is asking, can we take Prashant to the fields, grandpa, for playing? And grandpa said, yes, you can go for playing, but you have to be very careful once you're walking in the roads. Then, yes, grandpa, our teacher taught us the rules of road safety. We always follow them strictly. Good. When you walk on the road, which side of the road should you walk? Grandpa, we should walk on our right hand side against the traffic so that we can see the vehicles coming. So Peter is telling, yes, Grandpa, we are aware. Our teacher had taught us the rules of the road and we have to follow them strictly. We are following it strictly. And then the grandfather just appreciated the children by saying good, but I'll ask you one question. Once you are walking on the road, which side of the road should you walk? Jafar said, we have to walk on the right side against the traffic. Then only we can see the vehicles coming. Good. I'm sure you know how to cross the road. Yes, Grandpa. We should wait until the road is clear of traffic. We should first look right, left, and then again right before we cross the road. Grandpa, we will also walk in a line, one behind the other, not in groups. So the grandfather is saying, yeah, very good, my dear. But do you know how to cross the road? Yes, the money is saying, yes, Grandpa. We have to wait until the road is clear of traffic and we should first look right and then left and then again right before we cross the road. Grandpa, we will also walk in a line, one behind the other, not in groups. So Gandhi is saying, Grandpa, we will just walk in a line. One by one we will walk, but not in the groups. We should not walk in groups. What will happen once we walk in groups? Traffic will happen, right? And there will be an accident. So we should walk in a line. Good. And never use a cell phone while walking on the road. Road safety rules are of our safety. We should follow it strictly. So we should not use cell phone once we are walking on the road or even when you are driving. So road safety rules are of our safety. We should follow it strictly. Okay. So this lesson is all about how we are going to prevent from the accident and how we are going to walk on the road with caution. Okay, children? Yes. So we should not use cell phone. In which side of the road we have to walk? Right side. Yes. Have you understood? Yes. Then bifurcate, divide into two separate parts. Amuses to make someone laugh or smile. Vacation, holiday, merges, join together. So prevent yourself. Safety is must for everything. So fight against the disease. Okay, so be aware of it. Thank you, children. Hope you have understood. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Thank you.